Hey, entrepreneurs. Today I'm going to help you unlock your entrepreneurial potential with this quick and practical guide on setting up your business. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, this video will cover the essentials you need to know. So let's dive right in. First up, define your vision. What's your business all about? What problem are you solving? Take a moment to write down your mission statement and core values. These will guide every decision you make, from branding to customer service. Next, research your market. Who are your competitors? What's your target audience? Understand their needs, preferences, and pain points. This research will help you position your business effectively and find your unique selling proposition. All right, now let's talk about your business plan. This is your roadmap. Outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It doesn't have to be perfect, but having a solid plan in place will keep you focused and on track. Legalities. Choose a suitable business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation. Register your business name and get the necessary licenses and permits. Don't skip this step. It's crucial to keep things legit and protect your assets. Time to secure funding. Assess your startup costs and explore different funding options. This could be personal savings, loans, grants, or investors. Be realistic about your needs and prepare a compelling pitch if you're seeking external funding. Branding. Develop a strong brand identity. Create a memorable logo. Choose your brand colors and design a user-friendly website. Consistency is key. Your brand should reflect your mission and values across all platforms. Okay, now on to marketing. Build your online presence through social media, email marketing, and content creation. Engage with your audience regularly and provide value through informative and entertaining content. Don't forget to network, attend industry events, and connect with other entrepreneurs. Let's not forget about setting up your operations. Choose the right tools and software to manage your business efficiently. This includes accounting software, project management tools, and customer relationship management systems. Streamlining your operations will save you time and energy. Finally, keep learning and adapting. The entrepreneurial journey is an ongoing process of growth and improvement. Stay curious, seek feedback, and be ready to pivot when necessary. There you have it, folks. A quick guide to setting up your business. Remember, every great business started with a single step. Now, it's your turn to take that step and unlock your entrepreneurial potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.